So if you're wondering what this Bones or No Bones Day on TikTok is all about, well, it originated from this account on TikTok, John Grass. And basically he has a 13-year-old pug, and every single day he goes to his pug in his bed and then he picks the pug up. And if the pug stays standing up after he's picked him up, then he gets a Bones Day. And if the pug falls back down into its bed, then it's a No Bones Day. And basically what a No Bones Day is basically you can relate it to yourself by just chilling in bed, taking your time with everything and just having a chilled out day. If it's a Bones Day, then you might be a little bit more productive and things of that nature. So you can go to the account John Grass and give him a follow. I'll do that right now. And you can see if you go to the TikTok Discover page, which I'll do right now, and just type Bones or No Bones, you'll see a whole bunch of videos and stitches. So you can see the videos. If I go to the videos tab and scroll down, you're going to see the original videos and all these different stitches you can have a look at. And people are having a good time. This is going pretty viral on TikTok at the moment. If you want to go back to the original videos when you're watching a stitch, you can just tap on one of the videos. That's not a stitch, this stitch right here. And you can see where it says Stitch with John Grass. You can just tap on his username to go to his profile. But I recommend having a look at all the different stitches because they are pretty funny. So let me know in the comments down below, are you having a Bones or a No Bones Day? And if you got some value out of this, drop a like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.